name is James Stewart. I'm a network engineer at the Columbus Light and Water. My role is to ensure that our substations, our relays, and various other connected devices all reliably communicate back to our server room. In our service territory, we have roughly around 13,000 electric meters. We have a fantastic university in our service territory, and we also serve a wonderful Air Force base for the United States government. In our day-to-day work, we monitor every substation that we have to ensure that our voltages are accurate, to ensure that any point that we want monitored is working as intended. And if there is that variance, we can react immediately to troubleshoot it and to ensure that our customers have reliable service. When I took over operations of our surveillance system at Columbus Light and Water, it was in a poor state. But the help and assistance from the surveillance support team, the training team, the sales rep has been nothing but fantastic and world class. We are now in a state where our stakeholders are extremely happy with what we have, and we are looking forward to adopting more in the coming future. The greatest part about Survalent are the people behind the teams. At the user conferences, it is always a treat to be able to speak with the various individuals and to just bounce ideas off of them, figure out new solutions to the questions and problems that we are facing, and to collaborate with the other utilities in the space. We are currently looking at switching our water SCADA operations over to Survalent, and the pre-sales team has been nothing but great when it comes to dialogue and learning about what that's going to entail. Okay. The most valuable part about Survalent is hands down the support team. They're just a short email away, and they will always be ready to assist you with any issue, be it internal to your own processes or to their own systems as well.